In this video, we're going to discuss about the life cycle of service appointment. For that, in Field Service Lightning, we have a tab by name Field Service Setting. Over there, we have an option to set the service appointment life cycle. It has got global values. For example, if you want to prevent updation of pinned or unmovable service appointment, then you can specify it as yes. If you want it to be changed, then you can uncheck this one. Similarly, if you want to specify the default time for a service appointment to 1 hour, then you can specify it. Or if you don't want it to, suppose while filling up a service appointment, the field is left blank. If it is left blank, then the service appointment would be considered for 1 hour. Going back to presentation, the life cycle is always dependent upon the picklist values. So those picklist values are nothing but status. So for all of these status, for example, service appointment is in progress, we can specify which picklist value need to be selected from here. And each of these picklist values has a specific meaning, and they also have got predetermined triggers behind it. Now if I talk about status transition, most of the time a Salesforce administrator would recommend writing validation rule if you want to prevent an end user to change picklist value from one value to another value. In Field Service Lightning, you have a Visual Force page where you can specify those rules. For example, as of now, we are saying from status none, you can change it to cancelled, but you cannot go it back like this. If I want to change it, then I can make it from cancelled, I can go to none. So now if I look at cancel, from cancel I can go back and change to none. Now this can also be extended where we can specify whether a particular profile can change the values or not. Remember, in Field Service Lightning you'll have various users. One can be just acting like a scheduler. Second person or user will be a dispatcher. The third would be a technician. If you want to do that, then we'll say more details and we'll say from cancel to none, or let's now go back to none to schedule, is only applied to a particular Field Service Lightning profile. So over here, if we have a particular profile assigned, we can do it over here. To reiterate, appointment lifecycle is dependent upon the status field. Now those status values could be changed also, could be edited, and we can also prevent the value transition between two picklist values, and this can be also be done at the profile level.